are pleased to show you the 2018 Audi A6. The large executive favorite, the Audi A6, remains a cornerstone of the market. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.